Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen, and today I'm giving you a look at a brand new style from Belle Tress. This is Pike Place, and the color is Sumptuous Strawberry. So let's have a look at it. Wow, let's look at Belle Tress Pike Place. Again, this color is Sumptuous Strawberry. I purchased this wig with my own funds from wigstudio1.com. I will link that in the description box below, so be sure to go down there and see that. All right, the style of this beautiful wig, Pike Place, longer style, as you can see. It is heat-friendly fibers. It's part of the Belle Tress Cafe collection, so be sure to keep your styling tools $325 to $350. Let me show you the back of this. Lots of movement, as you can see. No permatease here. This has a lot of volume around here, as you can see, which provides this gorgeous movement. Now, I just took this out of the box. I have not even removed the zigzag part. I wanted you to see exactly how it comes out of the box with this gorgeous Belle Tress lace front. Now, this is more of a combed out beachy wave. It's not a beachy wave in my opinion. This is more of a relaxed, combed out style, just with some waves put in it. Now, like I said, this is heat friendly. You could add more curl to this if you wanted. You could straighten it if you wanted, but it is a heat friendly style, as all the Cafe collection is. Lots and lots of movement here. Very low density on the top. Just want you to have a look at that again. It has these long, layered, textured. It's not choppy like some of the previous styles we had. It's more of a layered, textured style. Or balanced, I think. I think it works for all ages and all face shapes. Let's dive into this color. Sumptuous Strawberry. As you can see, it's a pure red. It has some strawberry and honey blonde highlights. A little bit of copper undertone in this, and the medium brown rooting. I think the rooting is nice on this. It's a beautiful contrast on this red color, in my opinion. Now the specs come in here 11 to 11.5 on the front. The back is 14.5 to 15, and the nape is 7.5. So like I said, it has some layering in here. So it goes from 11 to around 15 inches overall. Again, a look at this beautiful color, Sumptuous Strawberry. I'll have some outdoor footage as well on this. Okay, let's look at the inside of the cap. All right, the look at the inside of the cap. Very, very minimal permatease here, as we talked about. It's very low density. It has a temple to temple lace front, stops right there. Contoured lace front. The ear tabs have the fibers worked into it, the closed ear tabs. Open wefted. Now this was very large on me. You can see how much I took in on the adjusters here in the back. It has a non-extended felt nape, and there is some stretch here. But again, this fit me very large. So let me give you a look, close-up look at Sumptuous Strawberry. Beautiful color. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that look. at Pike Place. You know, this comes with this wave already. You saw it right out of the box. It has this contour, and then it comes down with this beautiful wave in the front. Now, you could steam that to keep this off your face a little more. I'm just going to use a little bit of hairspray like I always do. Hold it up, just pull that up just a little bit more off my face. That's just my preference, but you could easily steam this off your face more if you'd like. You could also, like I said, this doesn't have a lot of permatease. You could sleek this down by combing it down more, or you could really get your hands in there, and since it has all this beautiful fiber and volume here, you could get this pretty big if you'd like as well. So I think it's going to be a very versatile style. I think this is going to be a really popular style for Belle Tress. Thanks so much for joining me. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget, follow me over on Instagram. Thanks so much and have a great day.